program because I know the pataka that want to use fake comedy to cover the point of direction where we are going. You know, the bone of contention where we are going. People no try this side, I'm a lapa this side with owner. So now I won't corner this side, I go corner this side with owner. You know the funny thing is that people are saying that I'm jealous of you. I begin to wonder, say, now me there Nigeria, you there America, now you own blue passport or now me own them. Now your children be citizen or now you be citizen. Now your husband be army general or now my husband. Now you marry medical doctor or now me. Now you be nurse or now me be or I be you. Now me we invest before your papa or now you. I want to understand the jealousy. Or now you first me do wedding or now waiting. Or Jpac go school, my husband no go. Or Jpac fine pass my husband. Or Jpac or Jpac get brain pass my. I want to understand the level of the jealousy. Or you get investment. Imagine Jpac better than a poker. I only 2 plots of land. Jpac no even get. Let me just don't laugh at that one. Jpac no even get no 1 plot of land. The more or less. It will put out that dash. It will put the one with person dash. If you ask a girlfriend of pull out and tell you how this guy they beg money to feed, you know why he say that? You know why he say that? He just no one make people they see him say nothing. I know get that this woman when is that violent, you know go get data. That is the problem now. How can you answer violence? There is no data. People should really read all the time. Yeah, I know when you aga end the 5 years to come. Mariana aga a particular this Jpac one. Okay, me put to you. You guys think I'm playing? Oh, I got doya dochaya na mano monna. Maneba shipota. Mana court. I got doggy can until I now doctor. Now she promised me. And he thought. Now he promised me and he thought that I go messy for him. Say, lie. He thought even if let me tell you, even if now one time when you collect ammo, you go show. They don't disvirgin them, they don't disvirgin them. What I go? Thank you, Onyomana Galilee. Ready to pay. So all these things where you and your woman, we no sabi even, we cannot even perform. We cannot even make the thing look real. And if I act this time, I'm just God, can you everything? I can act. I can put up a drama. I'm very funny. If I be a comedian, I can tell me what I'm not blessed with. Queen is blessed. Extra strength. I know they drink, I know they smoke alcohol. I never drank in my life. Never. I never smoke. It's so amazing. But they went perfect driving record. Even to an extent, you know, if you have a perfect record, they are not advising you to renew your driver's license. No. Those are people like us. And I'm one day I'm gonna live record life. Did you see any tattoo on my body? Did you see anywhere where I peel away to my ear? Even one tattoo you will see from my body. Do you think tattoo I can't draw flower or something? Yes, but there's some life I do not live. Yes. There are some things I don't do that is prohibited because my mother trained us through AG. When she train a child in a way a child will grow, she will not or he will not depart from it. That part of Christianity, that part of God-fearing cannot mean me. That doesn't mean that if I draw it or if I come peels my nose. I like to peels my nose. You feel me? Now I'm considering of doing this one honey may here. My husband is even the one bring this. My husband say, go open them. I go buy the same diamond that I put you here. These are the fantasies that he likes. Is it my own doing? No. But able could you not like? Why won't I do it? I just want to tell you the kind of streets, the kind of person I am. For you to say, Ogechi, I can draw tattoo somewhere at my party. My block go to give. So yeah, F off. Fuck off from here. You don't entertain stupidity. You don't entertain rubbish. Benjamin, F off. Go and bury your dead and your dead page out of my platform. You don't exist. Trash do not exist. Piece of garbage don't exist. Okay? No, you be person. Thank you, Arere. Alubem dim boba pota. I never go in a man's house. I shall boga bapota. No. Train to a fourth. Don't forget no saga song. Where we gonna go that about music. But I want to help and promote them. I'm not here for obi. I'm not here for trash. Those that want me to notice them by force or by thunder. Come on, fuck off from this place. Dala. Doing everything possible. Struggling, crawling, screaming, yelling. For me to notice. Come on, get the fuck out. I block every blockable. You want me to notice you by all means. Send them no more shit. No more garbage. Passion. Hello? 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 Which of my friends is from Japan? Okay. What them? What them?
A two certain workshop because every year we na have a new to and I gano. Now they may do a cause that car this time. As I call that car. The water go. It's open a dim na William Koto who face so cookies. The only thing they made us wrong Gana where I could go down. Yeah, I say Yakusada, the water. Take up the money got put on every family money. They do it here.
Thank you.
Good on you, the number. If one of phone share, you go a share. It was no go. Open you put here. What do you put here? No go. I want you put out. You don't want to open board. Who I like how that thing.
Thank you.
I'm not calling about you in a beach or in a beach. What says? What I can know. Somebody
Are you serious? Nebe.
All to go make it out. All the women, Manaka, you go just because Namu, but South Africa knows who go better. You want to South Mrs. South Africa, and them poor. I don't want it. I can't. Who can I call a car? When you're not think what the word to Jpac. Everyone should know that point to Yapota.
Thank you.
Because it's all our call is what
thank you.
If we're look at now, I won't make it like that. Go on contract to because now we're going to go. It won't make it cost. It could put out a car. Can you think I told you somebody you could do on board, make a one, I'm like father. But for going, I want to make a call that a car. Because someone I teach people. What so get it work at the job when you keep the just because of his cut along. You want to go? It's a queen of men and local men. I don't come against religion or they will make them one. You see me, you cannot. The first one teenager. You want to woman are not point. Who can want to make any point? Because we got a Christianity only done in Israel for 5 years. You want to go and the rabbi make the that thing. How make it? They need to Hannah walking and walking away, not walking and walking. So you don't make a speak you put out this, you know, I think when you're doing good, I don't know how to also in Galakia. Okay, find your bone in a book with guitar. You find your bone in a book with, yeah, in a book with a keeper, so because you find your back with his woman. Nekos here, or Galactic, and Nekos here, father. You want to, so you don't remember that. Can I tell you 2 parts? Because not 2 parts as not Jpac.
Jpac.
I'm on the other side. I'm on the other side. I'm also. Oh, that's what I can tell you. Go where you know and ask by name. You want to keep your boo. Often also he can be boo. I know what you ship of also tools on that. Why not go to I think I needed okay. Often in a clean into I got more or that not buying into ocean and his word. I have made a buying almost a minute or
so Ishiaga, so my brother, Ishiaga Ubo than you were is that what you're saying?
Of course not. I come one mechanic. I don't know Mozambique because someone the Mozambique.
Oh, how to get again in Mozambique?
So when I say who come now for other way, instead of low back at things, don't make that one. I can't. In that I don't want to have in a trade fair. Oh, you have in a trade fair. How can I so when I put on 5, 6, 7, 8 times? I'm only walking in the way they are. The Banaka. That's all the Taraka. Or did I put our boy look in a before?
Sure.
What a credit for Taco.
Oh, so him the banyo for the name. And the Jpac Mandala the ban very well.
Of course, no, I not to rent a beacon and a beacon and a beacon. All
yes.
Affordable bundles in a house will be way blog or that. Which is quite a sign. That's all what I said. Because I'm the car because I just come in and want to get a ticket. Because when you're doing that, I want to come. So, every woman at Japan, I think you mean our Lord, not no more. Comment that I try them, I will know, but I'm a paradigm. Oh, my, I told myself, or at least, I will have more my park. I always open all fish, better. All canon. I'll open a chile to me. What I today, I will. What does it say? But I will not attend to this week. Sure. But I didn't. What I want to hear, I walk when I'm going to go. When I open one, but I'm just telling one. But to do that, I'm not going to go. So when I will because of nothing to the heart. Somebody now no one. Oh yeah, I know one. What about my wife? How to say make it up. To buy
my brother Chirikoti, when you get mad to him, when you know that dick another person to worry me.
Oh, to be my other hey, what I don't know. I don't know this. You got no list.
On your buying,
that's my wife, boy. The guy, boy, the one going on list. Well, my wife, boy, about it. Oh, boy, in good state.
Oh,
come on, anyway. I'm talking to Sadama like you, young man. Because when you are a point, you know, a bambassi, the people say, I want my wife, my problem to make them. What I'm saying, oh, yeah, oh, come in. Oh, I have an enemy. I'll pass it. That relationship and how work.
I'm telling you.
All I can but that's who I can't see it. They need to open. Come on, keep us one on here. I can wonder why they're not a full not buying that. That's nine by line of buying. Papa, how will you go? But you with the son, but you try me. I have a child because when I heard all the child from an animal, but it's down or Addison. What I got then, I just so I'm a big family. So it's that job I do with it. 1,000 women will have that. So all I have done, I will. Job ndị diọkpara nwegasị ịghọtago dị ya. So ụmụ batazi ekwala ahụ m ebe ọzọ na dị nne nwa ya ka m na-ala na-abịaghị otu o sido mechata mgbe m nọ n'Izrel ka a nụrụ obere ụmụsọrọ mma ụlọ ebe obi na kọmpa anyị maka ọnwa diọkpara. So azịrị kịta ha na-asị na o kwesịrị iji ego atụwa kọntena eme nke na ọtụ kọntena laptọpụ m sendịrị ọha akọ ka a na-akọ ya nna m nwunye gị ebe a anaghị ebe 3 plus mgba fes ka a na-agba efesi ebido ụlọ ha títí wọ́n á fún sílẹ̀tì bìdọ̀ dá 12,000 something náà bá ti bẹ́ẹ̀ this year kàn bìdọ̀ wọ́n náà hà lóye gàdá go na parapet all about 6 rooms and 3 parlour you know go big house ya you know so ya ka ṣe àti mu kẹ́kẹ́ gẹ̀ sínú àlọ́ òde yà na báyìí n ṣe from Enugu to báyìí all 7 minutes from Calabar International Airport to báyìí all 7 minutes express òde ọ̀pọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ àjò sàdrẹ̀ so kẹ́lẹ́ mi tó máa ma rẹ̀ ta n tẹ́jọ́ pé gbogbo wà ní ẹ̀ta anákàtà sí na gọ́fọ̀nà àzọ́ àná na he were ụdị nke ha mere before. So ọta ka o si wee dị the girl anọtị isuko kịta ike gburu the girl. So ya hello. Ọta ka m nye chije. So ya m na-achọ ịgba ọgwụ just to ọkwefu enweghị chukwu m apart from akụzayọ ọ bụ ọgụ maka akụzayọ gịnị ka ọ ga-eme ọla ego ka mebiri ndị anyị chọrọ ịnataba anyị tupu aka mmiri nke o ji bụrụ ndị Nnewi ka ọ gị ọ na-abụ ndị Nnewi ahụ ọ sị na ọ bụ ndị nwawe ọha na-agba ọdụ ha ọzọ ọzọ ka ha na-eji aga ya ndị nwawe gochapụ ha na dị ebe a.
Okay, my brother, I'm going to get put later. I'm going to put. Thank you.
Just you don't know why I comfort don't work off my water.
Okay, thank you. Okay, that was a long one. That was a long one. Now, let me go to the comedy. Jpac. Now, they want to use it. Let me tell you. Sometimes I just look some people, they laugh. That you are ignoring some people. Some people say, Ogechi is afraid of this person. If Ogechi is only one person, Ogechi is afraid of. I just look people, they laugh. When I will reverse 360 now. Now the same person. Now the same people will comment say, Ogechi is afraid of you. This is the only person Ogechi is afraid of. When I reverse 360 now, when the war go starts, they go say, nobody here. I won't get all that pro. But they wanna this like a Jpac. Coco. Also like she from corner call my name and no go respond. She from this side call my name, you no go hear me. Nobody go distract me. Anything when you talk, I agree. But I wanna this one. When me chana, but then my best search and then get gidaka and you be don't get pushing. For now. When I'm about to again. Lie. Come down. Also, when she side there, when she was side there, when she gonna, una no go move this mountain with the here. Lie. Ashe. Lie. Mogubidoro. With whoever you think Ogechi is afraid of. No, just say, one in Ezukwike. Must you reply everything? Now only Jpac. It doesn't matter where they go. Also, no game peace with people where even they in good time with. It's none of my business. I know they see anybody. Now Jpac on a one, I got my dog no. Now don't know, like great. Never see anything. Then when him satisfy you when my dad do 360, what of the person you feel like Ogechi is afraid of? Now by then we go know say by then you go know whether I'm afraid or I'm gathering information. That is it. Cool down. Don't distract me. And I'm on one side. I don't want to look this side. So coming here to comment rubbish, you're wasting your fucking time. You can't get me distracted, bitch. Nigga bitch. Not on this page. Some bitches want Ogechi to put them on their matter. Cool down. Wanna get junior 114. Wanna get junior 114. Na Jpac I'm after. I got my rock by you to lie rough a china. So all these things you wanna do, no go pay. Pipe, if you like, you go and make peace with your greatest enemy because of me. I no send you. You see my pager? We must check Danyash. Danyash must nash. Nataga? We must nash him. Yes. I like listen when I get in here, I go to 1 year, I go to man. Now, actually, me should comedy. Then why you want to come and bring and portray what I go to? I go to your Jpac comedy.
Now bring that phone down.
Oh yeah.
Now bring that phone down. Let me follow the do salesman.
Do
I
it.
have your evidence, so I have your evidence.
I have your own.
Evidence show.
It's show for my own end.
Evidence show.
Evidence, no naka.
Okay, evidence not that.
Yes, no.
But I have your voice code.
I have your voice
If
code.
you don't have, post your voice code.
Let me tell you, no one way you can't even. Your wife cannot act. You cannot act. Your wife is 0. You are 0. She has nothing to offer than an empty brain. Only phone. She can't even put up a common acting that they want to use it and cover all the pain that is coming around you. The lady will lodo. Nothing good. Nothing absolutely good can come out from her. Olodo call way home. You see how empty she sounds? That's the whole empty she's looking right here. How empty your sound is it? Empty you look here. So make una no use this rubbish thing. It's not even moving anything. Even let me even check how people they Usher, write his name in group of people that we submit their nyash next week. I'm looking at the Porsche. Oga, forget this nonsense where you they do. Answer the question. Where they ground. You be homo or not. Answer with evidence. When you cause about will you catch a little nail? You catch. Fucker. When you catch will you catch a little nail at the car at the parent? Somebody comment, Oshe. Don't be sick, nowhere. Another person can say, this is wicked. Jpac monado. And we have no here will she from corner. Mandara para, mando to la para. They cannot use corner. Nobody could lie. Nobody could distract me until make better get G. But then I can turn around. War on that like this. They have another automatic one. So make it back well. No distraction. This one I show Ogechi. Right, Ogechi, right. He does it. I will not comment till I confirm Jpac. my sister, I they focus. When you get distracting, die. Then they will. When they need to reach one page, then I console. My page is for you to collect. Yeah, pen. When you guys well. Anyhow, this is my own evidence. When you post to oil. No damage control. Make una go rest, I beg. When you get another person any post to oil, cream oil. Now that the comment section already. Person call give them back to back. When you he is not giving anybody anything. Rather, he is disgracing himself and doing damage control. Thank you when they want a brain. And when the people, they see things. They can see your body language. They can see that you are not with yourself again. They can see how much you are trying to cover up and the truth. And then also go to Agia after 20 movie. My banga. I get life. We must. I get smelly cake, but just snuffle. I am a motion, spam, motion, shan. Now, when the cash, give them BP, but I could call cash, no, nothing like BP. When the cash, I am not against you getting married to a shower. Even me, if I see a good ashawo that is ready to stop, I will marry her. But my major concern is, are you homo? Yes or no? Now, yeah, you somebody. Now, I know the account. You know, say we don't be in this saga for a long time. Very big challenge. Una sabi una self. No be small one. Mad people in diaspora. Igbo Bobrisky, are you back from China? Please don't forget the laptop. Hey, I got a question. Make you no use your real account, so make you no go there block you. Use fake account. They ask some good question, or you want account at simple. Oh yo, shia array my Jpac. When you can share, Igbo Bobrisky, are you back from China? Please don't forget the lab test challenge issue to you by Ogechi. It is very, very important. You and your family. Or childish arts. Good. Childish arts. Yashi. We, your loyal fans, expect you to sue your accuser. But you are drawing back and doing damage control. In a people na home. They say make you carry me go court too. She's not even ashamed to call herself as thank you. Jpac, if you did not carry your wife enter house, you will let her turn to you and Judy on social media. Believe me. Jpac, two of una fit to herself, I swear. If them like, make them bring evidence. Plenty we move. Jpac, please don't expose your wife on social media. Saga, make hard, I know. English. Oneke wote bottle oil. Ebo dreju. Shia. Jpac Nash oil. Made in Jpac house. Jpac oil Nash is available in any shop. Made for Nash only. What is all this nonsense? Thank you. Look at. They go to the comment section again. They know you are doing damage control. You are trying to cover your pen. What you are going. You guys cannot even put up the acting. That is the fucked up part of it. You can't put up the acting. See, whenever people come out to defend you, they look stupid. Anybody that is defending you are useless. They're stupid. Because they are not even defending anything. In a Wuhanala. What I go? Wait.
Anytime when you want to start, even if not 20, even if not 1990, I get all of them. I have all of them.
The first day you tell me hi on WhatsApp, I still have your voice note.
I have your voice.
I have all your chats.
I have all your
chats.
chats.
Now you first tell me hi.
I go expose.
Now you first tell me hi.
I go expose. Even your voice note, I get them.
By my voice
your
note.
Voice note.
If you don't post that,
everything I get.
Post that post
even screenshots,
go
I
shock
get
you.
everything.
No water.
I go post them.
Voice note.
God have mercy upon us.
You see your life. You see everything now you they do. The thing don't choke you. You see how hopeless you guys are looking. You guys look so hopeless and so outdated. You guys are even more confused than what you guys are doing. Oh, you are so worthless. You see how the thing they enter. You see how I disorganize all of you. Look at shameful art you put up. You couldn't even put it up in a way to convince people. It is written all over you that Ogechi is talking the truth. That the truth I stand. And I must preach this truth until this life ends. The truth is beginning to come out. It's written all over you. Nowhere to enter. You can see how you are not behaving like a child. Your so-called shower where you pick from club now she's a fair. So she don't want them naked again. So Ogechi don't teach you say una go to put clothes for body. You see the prostitute you picked from somewhere now cannot even they naked again. She must continue to show us press. So you want to go? She must continue to show us her. I cannot enter inside like that. Cannot enter inside. People gonna kega until you prove everybody wrong. From there, it will be weak. We here will never say anything. Look at the shame of shame. Look at the shame of shame, the show of shame you put today. You want to picture hijab cover up. You may get your own again. Show of a disgrace. Ige mecha manye no lulu ebi choga ndega put defend the age. You go nowhere. Igana podcast kanwaro. Ni more than the briefed. Look at you. Everywhere choke. Everywhere na bare. Everywhere you choke. And don't get your wife can't even put up in nothing. If you don't hear your wife's voice, let me play it again. Maybe that will refresh your memory. Can play how dumb and daft your wife sound. What I go? Jerry, let me play it. Maybe you forgot how dumb and daft she sounded. She don't get brain. Look, longest time. What is going on? This is disturbing you. I saw your video online where you are being. I'm good. Hey, I'm good. I'm good. Onekashi. Okay, send me all the details, please. All right. Okay. Okay, well, sure. Now, what's up, Major? Because I'm getting now, can you how intelligent your wife is? Let's see.
Not the Asodogus.
Yes,
the real Asodogu. Not the Asodogus with the abroad now, such as the Nagat working under the one. I'm going to pass the way I'm on the maybe I'm going to enjoy 247. Enjoy a pop on a motor. Yamamoto Jor, Yamutanata. It's an Ebaso, no Caresia. Can't get them. I bet that tight. Never going to color see one. If you're Calicia, if you're Odogu or even your Dogu, Asodogu, whatever, in Ghana, Nigeria, in this Tinubu regime, they legal without following. That's the main deal. That's the real one you're Dogu. Not some way, no, my bound. That's what I speak. The ocean. I'm at work. Sorry, I'm at work. Sorry, I'm going to work. Sorry, I'm driving to work. Sorry, I'm coming back from work. You look good already. I saw the one I wrote all the 247. I saw one I saw the one I wrote all the time. Because me personally, by next year, I'm resuming my business. Okay?
You see how empty? Oto the empty in her brain, called the empty in acting. Oto the empty in her brain, called the empty in acting. When you know email, she's totally empty. Totally empty. Oto all the empty in sense, called the empty physical. When you know email, she's totally outdated. She is totally empty, God. Makachi, when you know me, a little brainless, a shower. Some are sure they get sense. This one no collect. Imagine us. Imagine us no make our money legitly without embarrassing our family on social media. Without because of Guinea. Because of digging no go school. And she's like, Jpac promised this lady, man. Come on, get out. I promise you, negi. He promised your mama. I wouldn't law who accept. Election de Jpac gave me accept to log. I know blame you. Unu shikos, election somebody with the common primary school certificates. Somebody with the common education. Geshe obiala magi di magi reject ko ye reject magi. Iwo nyara. Promise you marriage. Come on to the phone me. Only without Facebook, worry Facebook, warrior. Tie. Without you be calling you, you no go eat up for Facebook. And I shop up promise ra dan negi. Zuzu phone ndala. Actually, no my own level of phone now. Now I can understand the kind of person that about email life phone. Una ikwena batonya ho ya bia lo mu nne unu. Ona the promise of marriage. Empty one or the empty brain. Na ni ho ji wisa hi uwa. Men nka akujire nu ihe. Koso wuru na ma doga ho apare adopta ya yekuo. Una mara the level of capability ya. Una karima, una can say, oh, she's pretty. I ain't deceive unu. She's pretty. She's pretty. She carries front, so she carries back. She's pretty. She's my spec. Spec without any common sense. She's pretty back and front. Oh, lo. Okay, where la. Wife material. Wife material na elubedi. Obola. Look at yeshi mother no na apụta. Ohu no ga-akọ. Ya rubbish. What is the level of learning, even acting? Ndala nde homo nda na renti. De homo nda na la nike ndala bala. How far Diggy can go to make money? While the men are some no men are no me things ibanuru. Level Diggy. Okay, love, you're welcome. And I call you. You don't see them now. When I'm going where they are trying to do damage control. You want to do damage control, the damage you come damage your head. You want to come do damage control. See when I go back when I go read comments. Tomorrow, I don't care. Comment to the nego. Comment to the nego. Dala. Okay. So, okay, do I need Guinea? Refuel. Mommy, I can't understand what you spelled. Do I need we can supply. I don't understand what you mean that I need. Now remind me and I want a test I got conduct. Now when I say you want a test, we all will conduct. What are you? They're gonna podcast again. When did you meet Daisy Empire? That Daisy Empire will be the one deciding what will happen in your life. Which year did you meet Daisy Empire? Which year did you meet Daisy Empire? Daisy Empire was a life he lived for years. So man agabia ebe man shiki na yadi na mo onya ha agabia nyi ga device she. All right, ngba. Gelu can actually now. Man, actually, yellow wine. Somebody in the advice alone wine become your enemy. Zola Gishi. The person has become your problem now. Ah, what a life. But I like them women. The one you got she and Ogechi na Menka. Other possible. What a big. I am get ready tomorrow. Nketa bola tomorrow cherem. Nketa bola. Nketa bola. You want to go? Nketa bola cherem echi. Nketa bola. Wait for me tomorrow. What I go? Wait for me tomorrow. You will phone more. But I got sugar no phone. Like wash it. Like I didn't, but I made them no phone. Them no phone. My phone, mom just upon saying my husband bought this for me. Next time I was a chamaki. Now I cherish channel phone. You know what do the test? The reason why both of them never get issue is cause them sabi them secrets and promise not to use it against each other. Of course now. He never agree, he must agree. Oh, no gonna remind you. All this distraction that they bring, the things saying I bet with the distraction get your banket. Ooh. Nke wo oko kame gana bia nere. The more no cook and then the reason why, but you want to go. So now, guys, I want patients that I'm monitoring. Come, guys, attend my patients. No, certain time I'm engaging here feeding here. The G2 feeding. So let me go and check. Need to go and feed G2. I'm gonna flush. I'll see you guys later. Time not for 2 more minutes. Then I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.